You're listening to Short History Shorts audio, where history speaks louder than images. In 146 BC, Carthage fell in fire and blood. Its walls were torn down, its population enslaved or slaughtered, and its streets turned to rubble by the Roman legions under Scipio Aemilianus. Ancient sources claim the land was sown with salt, a symbolic act of utter devastation. But history does not end in ruin. It reshapes, rebuilds, and reclaims. The Carthage that rose from the ashes would become a Roman city, one of the most prosperous in the empire, and a vital part of Rome's African dominion. After the destruction, the ruins of Punic Carthage lay desolate for nearly a century. The territory around it, now part of the Roman province of Africa, was divided among Roman settlers and local Berber allies. Yet, the strategic importance of the site, its natural harbor, fertile hinterlands, and proximity to trade routes, made it too valuable to leave abandoned forever. In 122 BC, the populist Roman reformer Gaius Gracchus attempted to found a colony on the site, calling it Colonia Junonia. This initiative, part of his broader program to redistribute land to Rome's poor, was controversial. The Roman elite balked at rebuilding a city so recently branded an enemy of civilization. According to legend, bad omens and political opposition doomed the colony. Though it may have had a short-lived existence, it did not endure. The true rebirth of Carthage came a century later, under Julius Caesar. In 46 BC, following his victory in the Civil War, Caesar ordered the refounding of Carthage as a Roman colony. His vision was completed under Augustus, who established Colonia Julia Carthago as a major urban center for veterans and settlers. Over the next centuries, Roman Carthage grew rapidly. Its urban planning followed Roman models. Wide avenues, aqueducts, baths, temples, theaters, and forums rose where Punic temples and homes once stood. Yet traces of the old city remained, beneath foundations, in reused stones, and in the subtle endurance of Punic culture. Roman Carthage became the capital of the province of Africa Proconsularis, a wealthy, grain-producing region crucial to Rome's food supply. The city itself became a bustling hub of commerce, learning, and administration. By the 2nd century AD, it was one of the largest cities in the Western Empire, second only to Rome in the Latin-speaking world. Carthage was also a major center of early Christianity. By the 3rd century, it had produced influential thinkers like Tertullian and Cyprian, and became a battleground of theological debate, especially during the Donatist controversy. Its bishops held great influence, and the city was home to councils that shaped the trajectory of Latin Christianity. Yet prosperity invited new danger. In 439 AD, Carthage was seized by the Vandals, a Germanic tribe who crossed from Hispania into North Africa. Under their king Genseric, Carthage became the capital of a short-lived Vandal kingdom, a base for piracy and defiance against the fading Western Roman Empire. In 533 AD, the Byzantine general Belisarius reconquered the city for Emperor Justinian. Though Roman once more, Carthage never regained its earlier splendor. The final blow came in 698 AD, when Arab forces captured the city during the Islamic conquests. The Byzantines fled, the city was sacked again, and its importance faded in favor of Tunis, which would rise nearby in the centuries to come. Today, Carthage is a memory layered beneath modern suburbs, its Roman roads and Punic cisterns preserved in dust and stone. It is a testament to endurance, not just of a city, but of human persistence to reclaim ruin and remake civilization. Roman Carthage was no mere footnote. It was a beacon in the Roman world, a living contradiction to the myth of salted earth. Where Punic glory once stood, Roman grandeur followed, and in its silent ruins today, echoes of both still whisper across the Mediterranean winds.